Friends, welcome to another video on profit in equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a fundamentally sound stock which Shankar Sharma has said would be the only stock he would buy if he had to choose only one large cap. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Maruti Suzuki India, which is available at Rs 7,313.95 and the face value for it is 5. The symbol for it is MARUTI. Maruti Suzuki India Limited is a holding company engaged in the manufacture, purchase and sale of motor vehicles, components and spare parts. As is evident from the one-year chart, the company was consolidating for the majority of the year even when the market was correcting. However, over the last few months, the company has severely corrected. Recently, it tried to resume an uptrend, but again it failed. The company is a large cap with a market capitalization of 2,20,939.85 crores. The EPS of 261.41 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 27.98, which is largely in line with the industry PE of 25.24. The book value of 1382.33, however, translates into an expensive price to book ratio of 5.29. The company has a dividend yield of 1.09, whereas the promoter holding is above average at 56.21%. Speaking on a recent television interview, Shankar Sharma said that the auto market in India is hugely underpenetrated and there may be about 3 crore cars and 10 to 12 crores two-wheelers for a 110 to 120 crore population. There is still a long way to go. He said that there will be hiccups in the middle, but who can say that in India, auto ownership would not reach 10% of population in 10 years. So if that has to happen, Maruti as a stock which has corrected 30% will do exceptionally well. He also went on to add that he has noticed that in a bad bear market, good stocks without leverage typically fall between 30 to 40%. Maruti is already down 30% from the top, so it perfectly fits the bill for his investment. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so.